Alright guys, welcome back. We're doing some magnet fishing today. We've got the Rusty Magnets, some other YouTubers, magnet fishers out here. Larry's here with me as well. I'm off to the truck to go grab some sodas. And then we're gonna go and get the magnets back into the water. Like I said, I just had to stop at the truck, get some soda. And we'll see what's going on today. We were just in another location. Not very much. Not a whole lot. So we're gonna head back up this way. And we'll continue. I know we've got magnet fishing with Sean is out here. The Rusty Magnets is out here. Some other ones that I don't know of yet. But the wife is out here. And then we'll keep you guys updated. Keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so I just pulled up. I don't know what that is. Looks like a railroad spike maybe, I don't know. Y'all know what it is? Please comment down below. So we're magnet fishing, right? Look, it's a tiki bar boat going down the river. That looks cool. That is neat. Little tiki bar boat going down the river, guys. How cool is that? Alright guys, so I just pulled up. That's a big long square nail. Catfish, it looks like some catfish bills of some sort. Alright, so Mary over here, the wife here, she actually pulled up a skateboard. Ain't that some crap? Wow. Alright guys, so part of a railroad track here, and then I just pulled this one up. I don't know what this is. Probably part of the railroad track systems.